my dear students, welcome to your computer class. So today we will do worksheet 2. Okay, in previous class we have already completed worksheet 1, which is given on page number 50. Today we will do worksheet 2. So as you all know, so these worksheets have combined questions from chapter 1 to 4. So in this part of worksheet we have MCQs. Okay, so the first one is, it controls all parts of a computer system. So the control unit controls all the parts of computer system. Okay, remember this worksheet have combined questions. Okay, some questions may be from chapter 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, so you have to go through the exercises of this chapter. Second is the process of loading the OS means operating system, is called backup routing booting. So if you all remember, I explained you then that whenever we open a computer, so first of all the operating system get loaded into the computer's memory. So that process is called the booting process. So the right answer is booting. Okay. Third one is, which part of a computer cannot be touched or seen? I hope you all knows the answer. Okay, try to attempt it by yourself. Fourth one is, which tool is selected by default when we open TuxPaint? By default means पहले से जो selected होता है. Okay, so when we open a TuxPaint, so by default the paint tool is selected. Okay, the first tool in the toolbox, paint tool, is selected. Okay, now the last MCQ is present to the right side of the taskbar. So to the right side of the taskbar, notification area is present. Okay, start button is present to the left side. Okay, and desktop is the whole screen, but the notification area, it is present at the right side of the taskbar. Okay, now in B part we have one word answers. Okay, so some answers I will tell you and some you will try to find by yourself. Okay, name a place where computers are used. You all can write the answer. Okay, write the name of any one place where computers are used. Okay, then how many different background colors are available in TuxPaint? So if you all remember, whenever we create a new drawing in TuxPaint, so it shows a list of colorful pages. Okay, so how many colorful pages are there using which we can create a colorful drawing? There are 47. Okay, there are 47 background colors that we can use. Okay, now next question is, which part of a computer is known as VDU, visual display unit? Okay, to guess the answer and write. Okay, fourth one, name the tool that is used to draw straight line patterns in TuxPaint. This answer you all can guess and you can write. Okay, hints are given in the question itself. Okay, so try to do it by yourself. Fifth one, which software helps us you to do specific type of work? So here you need to recall the types of software in which we have system software and application softwares. Okay, so application softwares are those softwares which helps us to do specific type of work. Okay, so the right answer will be application software. Okay, at the end we have question answer part. So these questions are taken from chapter 1 to 4. Okay, so now define the term Windows. What is Windows? So Windows is an operating system. It's a very popular operating system. Okay, and it is used to do many things. It gives very user-friendly environment. Okay, if you will turn the pages, you will check the question answer portion, then you can check it. Okay, what is the desktop? So what is the desktop? Desktop is the first screen on the computer monitor that we see after starting a computer. Okay, Name some of storage devices. Storage devices means the devices that we used for storing data. Okay, like pen drive. See, they have not written that any specific device name. Any name you can write: pen drive, CD, DVD, hard disk. Okay. Fourth one is name the tool that is used to save a drawing in TuxPaint. So it's very simple. The save tool is used. Okay, answer is given in the question itself. Okay. Last question is, what do you understand by the term IPO? So this question has been taken from the first chapter of your book. Okay, IPO, it stands for input process output. It is the process on which a computer system works. Okay, so that's all from this exercise or this worksheet. Okay, try to do it. That's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.